Redefining the automotive industry and the investing landscape, Tesla was once an ambitious idea built by a visionary who dared to disrupt the status quo. Fast forward to the present day, and Tesla is doing just that. We are discussing a business that is more than simply an automaker. It is a movement, a representation of creativity, sustainability, and pushing limits. Imagine this exact company reaching previously unthinkable heights with a $5,000 investment. Mark, this figure may appear like a far-off constellation, but hold on to your seat because we're going to analyze the information, decipher the forecast, and outline the possibilities that could materialize this bold ascent, from market expansion and technological advancements to an unwavering pursuit of excellence. Even the most seasoned analyst is enthralled and wide-eyed by Tesla's path, which can only be described as a roller coaster ride. Is it even feasible to do this? In this video, we're going to find out, but first, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Tesla Stock News before we continue. Now that we have cleared it out, let's start the video. Let's discuss expansion and business. It's similar like sowing the seeds of success and seeing them grow. You see, investing in new projects, developing novel goods, and fostering innovation are all essential to a growth-oriented business like Tesla. Plans for a new factory in Berlin that will produce more than 1 million automobiles annually in Europe were recently revealed. Given that Berlin already produces about 200,000 automobiles annually, the growth potential will hide the limit, making it a game changer. Let's talk about those chips, since we're talking about investing. Tesla is different from the competition since they are investing over $1 billion in their Dojo and semiconductor production. They are also laying the groundwork for AI-driven self-driving technologies. Let's now take a look at the wider picture. Although it may spark controversy, Tesla is a strong contender in the EV market. They're leading the market, creating energy solutions, and they have a strong innovation game. In addition, analysts with notable experience at Moody's like Alexandra Merz have some fascinating views. She thinks that Tesla's success story is only getting started and that its impact on the development of green jobs and transportation may serve as a model for the future. What's the juicy bit then? Merz reveals the details of Tesla's unrelenting rise and even predicts that the stock may reach an astounding $11,000. Interesting enough yet. Let's examine it with some numerical data. Tesla recently revealed that its quarterly sales had reached a total of $25 billion. That comes to $100 billion annually. Pretty amazing, huh? And what do you know? This year alone, they expect to make between $10 and $12 billion in earnings. Hold on, things will improve. Tesla's energy segment now makes up around 6% of the company, while vehicles and services account for 94%. However, with 1.8 million cars expected this year and 5 million predicted in 3 years, the game is about to change. With the addition of $10 billion from fully autonomous driving technology, the energy category is expected to soar to a hopping 20. In just 3 years, sales are expected to soar to $350 billion. Let's take a little look back and discuss Tesla's inventiveness. Mojo, with their ever-growing global presence, have become trailblazers in the field of sustainable energy solutions, sparking a revolution that is changing our planet. Tesla is leading a revolution in electric automobiles and innovative renewable energy that is not only upending sectors, but also rewriting the norms. Tesla is constantly pushing the envelope and making a positive impact on the environment. Their unwavering global influence and ongoing role as trailblazers are what distinguish them. The influence of Tesla is about changing the link between technology and nature, going beyond industry. They are building a future in which choosing to drive an electric vehicle represents a commitment to a greener future. Not only is Tesla transforming the industry, but it's also changing people's perspectives and igniting discussions about energy use. Their journey is a story of transformation that leaves a lasting impression rather than merely being a business route. Imagine this after 10 years. Tesla will no longer be your average automaker. Instead, it will be a powerhouse that tightly controls raw materials, increases production, and benefits from cheap, plentiful electricity. They appear to be positioning the pieces for a titanic game of chess. And Merz has a forecast that is interesting. She projects that Tesla will produce an astounding 20 million vehicles by the year 2033. That resembles an automobile revolution amplified, and keep in mind the profit they've made thus far this year. It will be even bigger and a true money-making symphony in 10 years. Why is Tesla increasing the number of cars it produces now? To put it simply, there is an increasing demand for electric cars. The EV market is expanding rapidly, much like a wildfire. This change is a worldwide phenomenon rather than something that is exclusive to a certain area. Governments in many nations are embracing the electric revolution. People and industries alike are realizing that we need to move toward greener modes of transportation. The appeal of electric vehicles lies not only in their state-of-the-art design, but also in their ability to significantly improve the environment. With their ability to cut carbon emissions and help create a more sustainable future for future generations, electric vehicles have enormous growth potential. The market's explosive growth and uptake are similar to a wildfire, with additional charging stations springing up, range anxiety decreasing, and manufacturers making innovative investments, all contributing to the cascading effect. The entrance barriers for electric cars are gradually falling. These days, it's not just about having an automobile. It's about supporting a movement that aims to create a world that is more sustainable and green. With crystal clarity, we can't forecast the future. But one thing is certain. In the years to come, more people will ride electric vehicles. Take a look at these statistics. It is anticipated that the electric vehicle (EV) industry will soar from $287.36 billion in 2021 to an astounding $318.22 billion in 2028. And guess what? That's not where it ends. It appears that 2022 to 2024 will be remembered as the EV golden era. Our guru CEO, Cathie Wood, says that new models are coming out, policies are supportive, and the odds are in favor of electric domination. For the EV market, the switch to battery-powered vehicles is akin to a turbo boost. As completely autonomous vehicles become the norm, people's awareness of the advantages of electric vehicles is growing. In the next 10 years, Tesla's FSD software has the potential to completely upend the transportation sector, having already caused significant disruptions. Oh, the numbers, they speak a language all by themselves. According to NDRs, FSD might boost Tesla's earnings by an astounding $200 in the future. That is a large number of dollars in digits. Indeed, this software may prove to be even more revolutionary than robots, beyond the wildest expectations of fans of Tesla stocks. Here's the juicy bit then. According to MERs, Tesla may make an astounding $2.6 trillion in sales and $3 trillion in earnings. Everything is based on a 50 growth model. Oh, and you know what must be as significant as their automobile business. They might have an even greater energy divide. So fasten your seatbelts because this is going to be an exciting and crazy ride with Tesla. Adventure analysts predict that within 10 years, Tesla will emerge as a major provider of renewable energy through solar panels, batteries, and other items if the company keeps growing its energy car business and other ventures. In 2022, in the third quarter, Tesla's energy division had impressive growth. While obstacles like inflation and the recession are evident, record revenues and the deployment of energy storage were attained. Energy revenues increased to $1.117 billion, a 0.6 rise from the previous year. The cost of revenue was $1.013 billion. Experts say that these obstacles are surmountable. High inflation may eventually work to your advantage since it might hurt rivals and help Tesla become the industry leader. Even though these numbers are estimates, they still give investors in Tesla useful information, a sneak peek at possible profits, and help potential investors make well-informed decisions based on hard data, whether they are seasoned investors closely following Tesla's development or someone who is fascinated by the possibilities of this game-changing company. Tesla might be a wise financial decision. Option, although some might contend that having too much faith in Tesla's potential is unrealistic, it's crucial to recognize the numerous current and upcoming initiatives that highlight Tesla's innovative soul. Of course, a variety of market factors can affect Tesla and cause stock prices to vary, but we believe the business will take the necessary steps to guarantee that growth continues consistently. In this video, we've discussed the exciting opportunities that Tesla, a company at the forefront of transformation, faces. We've also dug into how Tesla's growth and innovation in the auto industry, along with its technological innovations, could shape the company's story going forward, from audacious predictions about car production and financial gains to the role of fully autonomous vehicles. We have now discussed important variables that could influence Tesla's growth trajectory in the upcoming 10 years, bringing this informative investigation of the company's bright future to a close. We've followed its incredible development, innovative actions, and possible effects on different industries that brings us to the end of the film. But before you do, Let me ask you this. Are you an experienced investor keeping a careful eye on the stock market, or are you just intrigued about the trajectory of a groundbreaking company? Tesla's route is definitely compelling. What direction do you see Tesla taking? Could its energy endeavors alter the whole dynamics of the market beyond its role as an automaker? Do you feel more confident about Tesla's future trajectory in light of the insights shared, or do you still harbor reservations about its path ahead? Please feel free to discuss Tesla's potential and the nuances of investing in a rapidly growing firm like this with others, and to share your ideas. If you thought this conversation was insightful and you want to keep up with everything Tesla, don't forget to hit the like button to express your support. Activating and setting up alerts.